AccuLynx is generally the platform roofers recommend when the business focuses primarily on roofing, while JobNimbus is often preferred by contractors who want flexibility across roofing, restoration, and other field service work. By the end of this video, you'll know why contractors choose one over the other, what each platform does best, and which one is more likely to fit your roofing business. The short answer is AccuLynx for dedicated roofing companies. Its features are built specifically around the way roofing contractors estimate, sell, schedule, and complete projects. That specialization makes a difference. AccuLynx includes workflows designed for roofing from the start, so sales teams, project managers, and office staff spend less time adapting generic tools to roofing jobs. Many contractors appreciate having roofing-focused features instead of building custom processes themselves. JobNimbus also has a strong reputation in the roofing industry. It combines customer relationship management, project tracking, scheduling, document storage, and communication tools into one platform. Many roofing companies use it successfully every day, especially businesses that want flexibility as they expand into additional services. The biggest difference is philosophy. AccuLynx is designed around roofing operations first. JobNimbus is designed as a broader contractor management platform that works well for roofing, but can also support restoration companies, exterior contractors, and businesses with multiple service lines. Ease of use is another factor. Contractors often describe AccuLynx as easier to adopt when everyone on the team already understands roofing workflows. JobNimbus offers more customization, but that flexibility can require additional setup to match the way your company operates. Integrations also matter. Both platforms connect with popular business tools, and both support estimating, document management, scheduling, and customer communication. Before making a decision, verify that your accounting software, payment processor, and other critical systems integrate with the platform you choose. The best software is the one your entire team actually uses every day. Even the most powerful system won't improve productivity if sales representatives, office staff, and project managers avoid using it because the workflow feels complicated. So which platform do roofers actually recommend? For companies focused almost entirely on roofing, AccuLynx generally receives the stronger recommendation because of its roofing-specific design. JobNimbus remains an excellent option for contractors who value flexibility or plan to expand beyond roofing services. The key points are simple. AccuLynx is usually the better fit for dedicated roofing businesses. JobNimbus offers greater flexibility across different contractor types, and choosing software that matches your workflow is more important than choosing the platform with the longest feature list. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward software comparisons.